Hi! Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off time-sensitive notifications from apps and allow notifications work focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the work. Then after that, in the work focus, click apps under the notifications. Then in the notifications, under the allow notifications from, find the time sensitive notifications. And as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When the time-sensitive notifications is enabled, it allows apps not in your allowed list to send notifications marked as time-sensitive immediately. And if you want to disable, just turn again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off time-sensitive notifications from apps and allow notifications work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!